The silent crisis. Our fertility is under attack. Did you know that global fertility rates are plummeting? Over the past few decades, we've seen a significant drop in the number of children being born worldwide. This isn't just a minor dip, it's a dramatic decline. The numbers are staggering and paint a worrying picture for the future of humanity. We are facing a silent crisis, a threat to the continuation of our species. Environmental destruction and pollution are not just harming wildlife, but also our ability to reproduce. What's even more alarming is that much of this decline is preventable. By taking action now, we can reverse these trends and secure a healthier future. Our daily habits, the choices we make every day, are directly impacting our ability to have children. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, everything plays a role. This isn't about pointing fingers, but about empowering ourselves with knowledge. Understanding the root causes can help us make better decisions. By understanding the dangers lurking in our everyday lives, we can make informed choices for a healthier and more fertile future. It's time to take control and make a change. The unseen enemies, pollution and its impact on fertility. Every day we inhale and ingest microscopic particles of plastic and industrial waste. These invisible enemies don't just disappear into our bodies, they wreak havoc on our hormonal balance. Studies show a direct link between exposure to air pollution and reduced sperm count and quality. The chemicals released by factories often mimic estrogen in the body, disrupting the delicate hormonal dance necessary for conception. We might not see the immediate effects, but over time, this constant exposure can lead to infertility and other reproductive health issues. Hormonal havoc: how everyday chemicals are destroying our chances of parenthood. Phthalates, BPA, pesticides. These chemical names might sound complicated, but their effects are terrifyingly simple. They mess with our hormones. These chemicals are everywhere, lurking in the most unexpected places. Found in everyday products like plastic containers, canned foods, and even receipts, these chemicals act as endocrine disruptors. They sneak into our bodies through the food we eat, the air we breathe, and even the things we touch daily. Imagine a group of pranksters messing with a control panel, randomly flipping switches and turning dials. This chaotic interference is similar to what these chemicals do inside our bodies. That's what these chemicals do to our endocrine system, the delicate network of glands that produce hormones. They disrupt the natural balance, causing a cascade of health issues. This disruption can lead to irregular periods, low sperm count, and even increase the risk of certain cancers. The impact on fertility is profound, affecting both men and women, and the long-term health consequences are alarming. Your choice, your future. A glimpse into two different paths. Imagine two individuals. One continues their daily routine, oblivious to the hidden dangers in their environment and choices. They go about their day, unaware of the long-term impact their habits might have on their health and well-being. They consume processed foods, use plastic containers without a second thought, and remain unaware of the chemicals lurking in their everyday products. These choices, seemingly harmless, accumulate over time, leading to potential health risks. The other individual, armed with knowledge, makes conscious choices. They understand the importance of what they put into their bodies and the environment they create around them. They switch to glass containers, opt for organic produce, and read labels carefully. Every decision is made with their health and future in mind. They understand the risks and take steps to minimize their exposure to harmful chemicals. By choosing natural personal care products and avoiding plastics, they create a safer environment for themselves and their loved ones, whose future looks brighter, healthier, and more fertile. The choice is ours. The path we choose today will shape our tomorrow. It's time to take control of our fertility and our future. By making informed decisions, we can pave the way for a healthier, more fulfilling life. Let's break free from these harmful habits and embrace a cleaner, healthier way of life. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in our overall well-being. Subscribe now to learn more about protecting your fertility and join the movement for a more fertile future. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a healthier world for generations to come.